love pork, you know.
What are you doing?
Holy Lord, she is a monster. First love, true kiss, true clam.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are at Hyatt Ziva. This is day one of our stay, and if you haven't seen the lookbook already, please check the card above because I'll have it listed, so it's just one click away and then you can come back. Like I said, this is day one of Hyatt Ziva, and they're taking us to our room to see just where we're gonna sleep for the next 2 nights. And yeah, I've heard so many things about this place, so I'm so ready to just enjoy, relax, unwind, and make sure that is in the back of our mind. Alright, so sit back, relax, and let us take you on that journey. So not gonna waste any time, we're going straight into my room. It is just a bed, and you know, they tried a thing with the decoration. I like it personally. I mean, what else do you want me to say, right? It does the job. It's clean, and you know, you don't have to worry about the AC not working. The TV works, the lights work, the phone works, and the tablet works, and that's all you need. And it's a very comfy bed. It's spacious. You have your closet space, you have your iron if you need it, you have your safe to keep your stuff safe, and you just have everything to your disposal. The fridge is empty, by the way. You have to call in to ask them for it to be restocked, so keep in mind that. And the bathroom, we're going to the bathroom. Sorry guys. So guys, it is quaint, it is cute, and yeah, so let me show you how the bathroom looks. So I don't know why I needed that little intro, but oh well. Like I was saying, it is quaint, it's cute, it gets the job done. I mean, you have space to do your little do. It is very well sanitized, as in they really went to town in making sure that the place is clean to the standard, and the precautions are made like they did not play. They sealed everything that needed to be sealed to make sure that they show you that they mean business when it comes to preventing the and of course I had to see the outside view from the balcony, not because I had to air out the place, or maybe I did, but yeah, look at that view guys, look at that view. Are you ready to come with me to go outside? Like, it's so easy for me to say when I'm at a hotel as opposed to in my house and we can't go nowhere. But first I had to also look at the schedule, because it is available on the TV as well as a tablet. You have to make sure that you know which restaurants and what activities are available on which day, and make sure you know, before I forget, that room service is free. So if you don't have to go outside, you don't have to. Alright, just call in for some extra food and have a movie night with your bae or your friends or yourself, who knows. So let's go explore the place. As I said, today is Friday, so we're gonna do a lot of exploration just to make sure that we know where what is and we don't miss out on stuff, because like I said, the stuff are scheduled, the restaurants are scheduled, and sometimes you might not get to go to a restaurant because it's not open on a certain day. So we just wanted to make sure that we knew where everything is so we could maximize on that for the weekend. So let me cue the music right now so we can like stop talking and you can just explore with us. Yeah. you today?
You guys ask the same question.
Sorry.
This is why I can never respond. So, we're gonna have today.
Alright.
So,
Oh my goodness.
enjoy, my friend.
Thank
Alright.
you.
Yeah.
Is that good?
I love pork, you know. I love
can
when pork
see
is
that.
done right. I love when pork is done right. Mmm. Mmm.
And this is not exaggeration, guys. He's really in love with this pork.
I get full right now. Told you. You're not gonna eat stuff. So.
In the spirit of exploration, because we were gonna stay at that jerk hut for the remainder of the day, we went over to the other side of the hotel. I think this was Zilara's side or Ziva's side, whichever it was. It's the other side of the hotel, and this is where the choices and the other restaurants are. Sweet Bites. You have an inbound store. You have basically everything over here. Asian cuisine and all that jazz. But on the way back, we found more food. They're cookies! I feel like I need an apple. Considering that we are going to be eating like crazy, I feel like, you know, keep one thing healthy. Oh gosh, thank you so much. Whew. It's gonna be the best apple ever. I can feel it.
What?
Beef.
Sorry,
That look like
the
June
rose
plum.
is finished, so it's carrot and cucumber.
And
It looks like June plum. Another tip, lovely people, for the females: do not walk in heels unless you can actually do it, because it is a lot of walking. I had to personally change my shoes to flats, and we were just off again. Because when I tell you this hotel is big, alright? You're gonna do most of your walking. I didn't see no golf cart to come take you nowhere, and I didn't see no bicycle to come take you nowhere. You had to walk with your little feet. As much as you're on Jamaican soil and you're on vacation and everything is airy, nothing is worse than having to walk all the way from your food establishment back to your room. Again, tip, keep that in mind when you're ready to eat everything on the menu, guys. Alright, so we are gonna go to the bar, the pool bar. We're not ready to swim yet, but we're gonna get some drinks, because you cannot start off a vacation without a cocktail, without a drink in your hand, without some alcohol in your system. I mean, the varieties. Know what you want. Don't leave it up to them to tell you what they have on the bar list, because it will not work in your favor if you're trying to get turned. Alright, I had to specifically ask for the reggae Bob Marley or something of the sort, whatever that was, because I saw somebody ask it and I was just like, I want that too. So like I said, go. Where is he going with that from though? Sir, I said I wanted to get turned, but not that turned. Yeah, so I'm just gonna nurse this. Don't listen to me, guys. They will mad you and they will drunk you real fast. Look at that. He didn't even mix out the thing. Oh no. You see my face? That thing is strong. So since people don't understand that we want to get monetized and we cannot do this with music in the background blaring while we're trying to talk, I was gonna mute this out. So what I'm saying essentially is that the customer service is really good and the place is as empty as anything, and I love it. Like has worked in my favor where people are afraid to go out, and I am out with my good body ready to just enjoy the weekend, or not, because remember today was Friday and I still have to do work. Hi guys, so I am just getting ready to go back out on the town jokes. We are going to go and explore more of the hotel. Today is just our exploring day and seeing where is what. And then tomorrow we're going to have a schedule on things to do, and Sunday we're going to make sure that we don't forget anything that we didn't do on Saturday. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm ready to go. And you want to come? Are we going to take you with me? Yes, we are. So let's go. So we're kind of like the only ones on the floor. I kid you not. We are about to go for candy. There's a candy store named Sweet Bites, and we're gonna see what they have in store, right? So let's go get candy. I want candy. I want candy. I mean, they tried. That's the best I could do. That's the best I could say, and that's the best I could recommend. That they tried their best in yeah. Yeah. That's it. I mean, they have decreased in their capacity, their offerings, and the variety, but what they did have available, they tried. Let's put it at that. If you go if you're a sweet tooth, do not try the ice cream. Let me just put it like that. But the treats are okay. All of this right here is alright. But you'll be just dazzled by the decorations. That was what caught me into that place. And I just decided to do a whole highlight video on the cakes alone. Don't ask for a slice. They're not real, guys. They're not real. They're there for what? Decoration. And they serve people in paper bags. I didn't get over that right there. And the thing is that I even asked him how was the vanilla, and he said it's different from any vanilla that he has ever had, and it tastes very healthy. That's why he's not in. And I tried some mousse, something of the sort. It tasted okay, but the sugar was lacking. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. What say you?
It's a decent for those who are just coming off of a diet and are used to those energy and herbal and no sugar drinks. And but for those sweet tooths out there, they have definitely toned down the sugar. I think it's a mid-range, so it's enough not to make the average sweet tooth pissed off, and it's enough not to give the average dietitian craze over sugar.
So it's us again, guys. We don't have on a mask because we're like the only ones in the hallway, so we have a better talk fast before we go out in the public again. Yeah. So we are on our way to where we're going?
International place.
The international place. We don't even know where it is, but we're gonna walk around and ask some questions like a real Jamaican to see how we get there in the least amount of time, because our reservation is at 6 o'clock and it is now 5:58. Jamaicans are always late for stuff.
Okay, so which mango tree we must go around? Which restaurant?
Let's see how well the directions are, because the person that gave us directions first was kind of like, yeah, you know, just go straight and then turn and then you'll see a room. Yeah, we didn't see a room like that.
Cool.
Yeah. So yeah, and after, wow, I can actually breathe in this one. Okay. You can't even see me. So after we go to this international restaurant, whichever the name is, we're gonna go to get street food. It's a street food festival. I guess since COVID, they kind of have everything in one place so that people just go to one place for dinner. So yeah, I'm gonna end this now so we can walk because it's taking a while. And alright. So hi guys, voiceover Lexi is back, and yes, so this is the international cuisine. I think it was Urban Eats or something to that extent. It is a casual dress up kind of vibe, but you can be the judge of that by seeing the outlay of the restaurant. Yeah, so you have to sanitize everywhere you go. It's without doubt nothing new. So I love this restaurant. The food was great, the ambiance was great, the service was amazing. Look at them pulling out the chair. Hello.
I've never tasted this cake before. It has a hint of chicken, a hint of fish, a hint of vegetable. Don't know what to make of it. Alright guys, we're live. Alex is eating clams for the first time. She doesn't know what it tastes like. But let us hope that this is it. One life, you live.
What?
Here we go.
I'm afraid.
Well, fear no evil, for the Lord is thy shepherd and thy light. She's not gagging. She's not gurgling. The face is being made up. Not sure. It's not bad, she says. It's not bad. Will she take another? Will she take another one?
It tastes like, I can't even describe it. Yeah, it's not bad.
Not bad at all. Not bad. She takes another one. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner.
Yeah.
We got a thumbs up right here. Thumbs up in the chat. Thumbs up in the chat. Yes. And she goes for third. She goes for the third, guys. Who's winning for the football team right now? First bet anyone. $1 million prize. Holy Lord. She is a monster. First love, true kiss, true clam. And she is one for the seas, my friends. One for the seas. Yes, she's a mermaid, my friends.
Stop it.
Love it all. Fins and orphans. Okay.
Is there anything underneath?
Is that fish
This
or
is nice.
This is so wrong. I've never seen this before. Yeah.
This time Alex won.
Yes, this looks very nice. Oh, I think we're okay. We have our drinks. We have our joy. You hear the holy music play? Whoa.
Is that good?
Yeah. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
So this is why they put it in small portions, because
It's not meant for filling. I think it's more quality over quantity, and the quality is definitely there. The last piece, guys. It was nice knowing this piece of beef.
So we're finally at dessert. We made it, guys.
We haven't made it yet. We still have one more batter to bake, okay? We made it.
So one more location, one more stop, one more foodie place before we hit the hay for the night. And it is a street food festival because of, you know, everybody and their dog is cutting down, and the most economical way for the hotels to cut down is by having everything in just one space. When we went, it was raining, so we had to go under the shed, and everything was just exhibited there. It wasn't really a great experience as opposed to how my friends said it was the last time they went. But like I said, everyone's just trying their best to make us feel as comfortable as we possibly can on vacation. So guys, I'm gonna go right now. Stay tuned for day 2.